Best budget dash cams. As more drivers seek reliable protection on the road, the demand for the best budget dash cams has grown rapidly. Today's shoppers want clear video quality, durable construction, and practical designs without the premium price tag. This guide evaluates what truly matters: camera type, build quality, interface layout, recording performance, and overall value for money. Below, you'll find 5 feature-rich yet affordable dash cams that offer impressive performance for everyday driving.
Product number 1. Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. The Rove R2 4K Dash Cam is one of the most popular budget-friendly 4K options, known for its sharp daytime clarity and solid build. Its Ultra HD 2160p recording captures license plates and road signs with impressive detail, making it a great choice for daily commuting or long highway drives. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS allow you instantly view recordings on your phone, log your route, and track speed data, features often found in higher-priced models. The user interface is straightforward, supported by a responsive mobile app for easy control. Night performance is strong thanks to advanced sensor tuning, offering balanced lighting in dim conditions. Loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and parking mode round out its safety features. With its compact design, exceptional resolution, and reliable durability, the Rove R2 4K is a top-value dash cam for anyone wanting quality without overspending.
Product number 2. Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam Front, Rear. The Red Tiger 4K front and rear dash cam stands out for offering complete front and back coverage at an affordable price. Its 4K front camera paired with a 1080p rear camera ensures detailed recording from both angles, ideal for drivers who want all-around evidence during road incidents. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and app integration allow you to manage footage effortlessly while keeping ride data secured. This model's night vision performance is excellent, enhanced by advanced HDR and a wide dynamic range that prevents glare and overexposure. Installation is simple thanks to a user-friendly layout and compact design that doesn't obstruct the windshield. The Red Tiger also includes 24/7 parking monitoring, collision alerts, and loop recording, making it a reliable dual-channel system for budget-conscious buyers seeking full coverage. Its combination of resolution, features, and durability makes it one of the best-value dual dash cams on the market.
Product number 3. Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. For drivers who enjoy Rove's quality but want front and rear coverage, the R2 4K Dual Dash Cam delivers outstanding value. The front camera records in crisp 4K, while the rear unit captures clear 1080p footage, ensuring detailed evidence from both perspectives. Its robust build quality provides confidence during long-term use, and the streamlined menu layout makes operation easy even for first-time dashcam users. The dual-channel setup includes advanced parking mode, motion detection, and a sensitive G-sensor for immediate event locking. GPS logging is built in, and Wi-Fi connectivity allows quick video transfers to a smartphone. This model also benefits from Rove's strong reputation for app stability and firmware support. Whether you're concerned about tailgaters, rear-end collisions, or parking lot incidents, the R2 4K Dual offers trustworthy all-around protection without stretching your budget.
Product number 4. 70mm Dashcam M310. The 70mm Dashcam M310 is a compact and lightweight pick for shoppers seeking simplicity, durability, and reliable recording at a low cost. It features 1080p Full HD video with a well-tuned sensor that captures clear footage in both daylight and low-light driving conditions. Its surprisingly wide field of view helps cover more lanes, and the camera's sturdy, minimalist design blends seamlessly into any vehicle interior. What makes the M310 especially appealing is its voice control support and easy app connectivity,
allowing hands-free operation and quick access to recordings. Loop recording, emergency file locking, and parking monitoring ensure essential safety coverage. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it an excellent entry-level device for new dashcam users. With a strong balance of features, usability, and durability, the 70Me M310 is one of the best budget-friendly single-channel dashcams available.
Product number 5. GKU Dashcam Front and Rear Camera. The GKU Dashcam front and rear camera is an impressive value pick, offering dual coverage at a budget price. With 1080p front and 720p rear recording, it provides reliable clarity for daily driving and essential evidence during unexpected incidents. The camera's lightweight construction and compact size make installation easy, while the interface remains user-friendly for quick setup and navigation. Night vision is enhanced through its improved sensor and wide dynamic range, delivering balanced exposure even in dim or backlit scenarios. It includes all the core safety functions: loop recording, parking mode, motion detection, and emergency file locking. While not as feature-heavy as premium models, it excels in practical reliability and affordability. For drivers wanting dependable dual-channel recording without stretching their budget, the GKU Dashcam is a smart and economical choice.